Hey boys and girls, here is a video to remind you on how you're going to work and orchestrate or complete your spelling menu activities. So here I'm on my fake Google Classroom. You are not a part of Cyber Prep. This is for me. So you're going to go to classwork just like you would in yours. Yours is a little bit more organized than this, but you'll see it says spelling menu activity. So I'm going to press my spelling menu activity and it's assigned. So I'm going to press it. Okay, and you'll see I got my own copy just like you will get when you are assigned. So this is something that is going to be done throughout the week. So there will be a directions page on yours. So as you can see, it's the spelling choice board. So you're going to pick what you want to do each day. So you have a new list of spelling words this week and they are in your daily agenda. So say you want to do the highlight it. So you can drag an X because that's what you're going to do today. But you want to make sure that you read the directions before you put the X on it, of course. And you'll see if you look down at the bottom, underneath the slide is the directions. Each time you complete an activity, drag a red X to lay on top of the rectangle you completed. So the highlight it says use the highlight it template below. Type 10 of your most challenging words in the text boxes and drag the yellow squares to highlight all of the vowels. So for this one, I need to find the highlight it page. Okay, all you do is you go, it says type here. So you're just gonna highlight it yourself. And let's say our word is chair. Okay, it said to highlight the vowels. And you can see if you look below underneath the slide, their directions. Okay, so it says, oh, I have to take this yellow. And every time I see a vowel, I have to put a yellow strip over the vowel. And it looks like I have two vowels. So they're going to be on top of each other. Say another word is table. I typed it in. These are not your spelling words, but say that they are. You then, okay, so then I'm going to move my yellow and I highlight it. And you only have to do 10 words for this activity. So then it's the next day, pretend, and you have to do another spelling choice. Say it says do a word cloud. So what it says is you have to press one of these links. So you can either go to the ABC and you just press it the way I did. Okay, and then you're going to start it. Oh, I think I did the wrong one. Sorry about that. That was my fault. So then you would press play. You're going to make a word cloud. So you're going to type in all 20 of your words. So chair, table, clock. Pretend those are your 20 words. And then you press create and it made a word cloud. Okay, so what you would do then is you either going to go back to here and you can put an X. Well, we did our highlight it, so we can put an X here. Okay, you did your word cloud. Now, some of them are going to give you opportunities to send them to me. Okay, so sometimes it will say send or like you can save it. Okay, and then it should download on your computer and you can pop it up just like this and then you can email that to me and I'll know that you were able to do it. Another thing you could do is if you decide to do something where you're saving it to your computer just like the word cloud, you can actually you can add a new slide and you can insert what you just downloaded, which is really cool. So this is what I just made, open. So it's right here, you can make it bigger. So now I know that when I go to check your spelling menu activity at the end of the week, I know that you did this. So that's how you're gonna do it. So you have to do one each day that I assign it. So it's not gonna be every day, but for this week, you're gonna have one every day. Now, because your spelling words are gonna go into next week, you will not turn it in. So you can, when you exit out, of course, it will save it automatically. So what happens if I go to the spelling view assignment, when I tell you to turn it in, you'll turn it in. Otherwise, you do not turn it in until I tell you. So you know how every other day I always say, turn in your assignment. For spelling menu activities, you do not turn it in until I tell you. So that's how you use our spelling menu activity. I hope this really helped.